When you're running production, you can't afford to be down. That's why the Frozen Bean trusts Domino.
My name is John. I'm the president and CEO of Frozen Bean Incorporated. We manufacture beverage mixes for the food service industry. Some of our customers include some of the largest food service retailers as well as coffee houses in the world. Quality control is key. We want our customers to be the first ones out in the industry to have the particular flavor, the hot flavors that are out there. We want to be on top of the trend as well as lead the trend. Over 70% of our business is done overseas, and international law is changing in countries like Saudi Arabia and India and other Middle East countries as well. We're no longer allowed to put labels on the bag, so now we have to print directly onto the bag itself. Labels such as these are no longer allowed. When we initially were approached with this issue from our customers, we did a lot of research, looked into some of the solutions. Our plant manager suggested Domino from his previous experience for their reliability and quality and service. We went around and researched all the different companies, got quotes, and inspected their equipment. And in the end of the day, we came back and realized that, our plant manager was right, and we stuck with Domino. So we're using a Domino 2-line printer right now to do the lot and the date on the bags. We're also using the thermal transfer printer to do the labeling of the flavor in the front as well as the nutrition in the back. Now this allows us to be flexible and allows us to have a custom packaging for each of our product lines, which is over 300 SKUs. Part of the reason we fit so well with Domino is that when something goes wrong, we need somebody to answer, we need somebody to talk to, we need somebody who's going to take responsibility and get it done. As a manufacturer, downtime is absolutely the worst thing that can actually happen in our business. With all the ingredients, we have a ton of things on our plate already. We can't sit here and worry about a printer going out on us. So with Domino, that does not happen. Other retail establishments. So we're actually getting into retail sizes and retail packaging of our products as well, and Domino has the equipment to help us do that. So if anybody were to ask me about Domino, I'd let them know that how the reliability and the customer service is great, as well as if they wanted to visit us and to see the machine working in our plant, they would see that it works in all different environments and how consistent and how durable this equipment is. It'd open up our doors for that. From the folks here at Frozen Bean, we like to say, thanks, Domino.